Yo! Welcome everybody to a brand new video on my YouTube channel, and today we are going to shoot 2 Desert Eagles at the same time. You probably already saw it on the thumbnail or on the title, of course, but I will say it to you again. Yes, we are going to shoot 2 Desert Eagles at the same time. How amazing is that? Of course, they are not real Desert Eagles, but airsoft Desert Eagles. But still, it's a lot of fun, I think. Well, we will see how it will go, but first of all, the Desert Eagles that I'm going to use are these ones. This is a tiger stripe Desert Eagle from WE, and this is a Desert Eagle from Cybergun, but this one also has a fun switch on it. Yes, this one shoots fully automatic. Okay guys, before we are going to shoot both Desert Eagles at the same time, first we are going to shoot every Desert Eagle separately. So first off, we are going to start with this tiger striped Desert Eagle from WE. And of course, I will also film with my GoPro in slow motion. So that will be a very nice shot. Okay, I'm gonna make the GoPro ready. Let's go. Yeah, GoPro is on. Slide forward. Okay, here we go guys. 1, 2, 3. Amazing! The kickback on this thing is so satisfying. Okay guys, next up is this Desert Eagle from Cybergun. And this Desert Eagle also has a fun switch. Yes, this Desert Eagle can shoot fully automatic. That's really amazing. But first shots I'm gonna take just on semi-automatic, of course. And then I will switch it over to full auto and just spray this thing crazy. And of course, put the GoPro on, because we want to see some nice slow-mo shots. Okay guys, are you ready? Slide forward, here we go. Get in position, it's on semi-automatic. Are you guys ready? Ooh, here we go. Nice, full auto. Oh, this thing is such fun, but I need to say, the other Desert Eagle has a much bigger kick compared to this one. But both are still satisfying to shoot. Okay guys, the GoPro is in position. I have the 2 Desert Eagles in my hand right now. Okay, let's take a nice shot in slow-mo. Here we go guys, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I forgot that this Desert Eagle wasn't fully automatic, but I think it's still a pretty nice shot. Let's try another one, but this time I have the tiger stripe Desert Eagle in my right hand, and of course we will shoot both Desert Eagles in semi-automatic and not this one in fully automatic. But let's try again, shall we? Okay, put the Desert Eagles in the right position in front of the GoPro. I think this is amazing. Then slide forward and come on. There we go. Are you ready guys? Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. amazing! Haha, this is so cool shooting 2 Desert Eagles at once. Oh, the kick on these things, these are really hand cannons. These pistols are really something. And like I said, this one has much harder kick compared to that one, but on the other side, this one has a fun switch on it and this one doesn't. If you look at the pistols, you can see that this one, the slide goes much further backwards than the other one. And that's the reason why this one has a much bigger kick than the other one. You can also see it from the top. This one goes a little bit further backwards, as you can see. But on the other hand, with this one, the cycle is shorter, so it's also possible to shoot faster than with a pistol that has a longer cycle. So it all depends on what your preference is, but if I'm holding a Desert Eagle, I want to feel a big kick, so that's why I love this one a little bit more than the other one. But still, both are amazing and both have their plus points, because this one is fully automatic. Yeah, shooting 2 Desert Eagles at the same time never gets old. Even if it's airsoft, it's still amazing and super satisfying. Just the kickback of those pistols are amazing. Okay, next up guys, we are going to do the slow-mo from up top, so you will see the guns from the top. So, I put the GoPro up there, as you can see. And well, let's see how the slow-mo shots are looking. Guys, I really liked making this video because I love shooting Desert Eagles. And I hope you liked this video as much as I did. And if you did, then please put a very big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel, of course. And also don't forget to follow me on social media. I have Instagram, Facebook and Snapchat. The links are in the description down below. And of course, one thing is for sure. Desert Eagles are amazing.